lost my eyesight due to something called AION, which is an anterior ischemic optic neuropathy that has significantly reduced my visual acuity, and through the loss of blood flow to my optic nerve. So my eye is healthy, but the connection between the eye and the brain is broken.
Andre Van Hall lost the majority of his eyesight in September of 2011. As someone who loves the outdoors and has a strong work ethic, the onset of Andre's condition proved to be quite the challenge. Since losing his vision, he has adopted a variety of technologies to help him maintain a somewhat normal lifestyle. Andre works as the CEO and general manager of the Denver Athletic Club, which is one of the nation's most prestigious private clubs located in the heart of downtown Denver. The club was founded back in 1884 and is home to a large variety of amenities that suit every athletic and social need of its members. This includes a 125,000 square foot fitness center, squash and racquetball courts, exercise and yoga studios, a 25-meter indoor pool, a bowling alley, full-size basketball and volleyball courts, a pro shop, a grand ballroom, conference rooms, a dining room, a billiards room, a pub, and the list goes on. As one would expect, the Denver Athletic Club is decked out with state-of-the-art technology, but one room in particular houses technology of a whole new breed, Andre's office.
How it has significantly improved my abilities to continue to function as an employee with a job with a lot of responsibility. And the technology of today has enabled me to do that without sacrificing a lot of my productivity. This is a 32-inch television that is hooked up to this video monitor that has a video camera that is looking down onto this document. Okay. If I have to read a lengthy document like this one over here, okay, that has a lot to read. For me to be able to read it, I'd have to blow it up. Zoom in to this level, and to read this here. So then, in planning for our audit of the financial statements, it's very slow reading and it's very confusing, and sometimes I lose context. So zoom out. What makes it then a lot easier is if I come and I zoom out, I put the whole document like this, and I push this button over here. Now it's being processed as a document. And next,
planning for our audit of the financial statements of the Denver Athletic Club, or the club as of for the year ended August 31st.
Due to the inputs and outputs of each device, these machines are the ultimate representation of a black box, as the inner workings of the machines are not significant to the big picture. The black box characteristic of these machines makes life more manageable for the blind and visually impaired, as their input-output nature is very similar to the human brain and compensate for Andre lacking the sense of sight. With fast-paced innovations cropping up everywhere, most organizations have to constantly update their technology to keep up with the times. If the visually impaired cannot adapt to a technologically advanced workplace, their output would be extremely slow, if not impossible. In a positive view of technological determinism, the dependency of the blind on these tools enables them to be productive members of an advanced society and live out a normal lifestyle. For Andre, these advances in technology have allowed him to remain current, informed, and in contact with his friends and coworkers, but above all, have given him hope.
Saying that the technology of today is so much greater than it was yesterday, so yesterday I would have been depressed, it would be like saying I need to be depressed today because I know that the technology of tomorrow is going to be so much better. So you make the best of the moment, and at this moment this is what is available, and it's awesome.